Hey guys, welcome to Food Star Pod by ActiLife. It's SAK here, and you know what? Today I've got a very special guest on the show, all the way from Italy, but now in Kenya, Mr. Ponte.
Wow, you speak English so fast. I hope I'll be able to eat as quickly.
I'm sure you will, guys. Watch this episode because today we're going to try out some Indian chaat and some really good stuff. Keep it here. Alright guys, so Mr. Ponte is excited. He's trying. Have you ever tried Indian chaat food before?
I have no idea because I eat so much stuff, as you can see from my belly. But I do not ever remember the names.
Yeah, he's worried about his belly. He hasn't seen mine yet. Okay, so guys, we're here and Chef, how are you today? All well?
Yes.
So tell me, what are you making? आज क्या बना रहे हो हमारे लिए?
दही पूरी बना रहे हैं, भेल पूरी है,
Okay.
पानी पूरी, पापड़ी चाट है,
Yeah.
सेव पूरी.
Awesome. So guys, so Mr. Ponte is going to make for us some assorted chaats. And you know, these chaats are like Indian street food speciality.
I love
is like,
street
you
food.
know, India, they can even satisfy themselves with this, but here, you know, we serve it as a starter, basically. It's like appetizers. So it's going to be an assortment of chaats for you. That's
I
gonna be-
wish you lots of luck. My street food videos, they make lots of views.
Okay, let's start, bro.
shukriya.
Shukriya, yeah.
Shukriya, okay.
Shukriya. So that was a bit spicy, I guess.
Ah, that's perfect. I think after spicy we need to try this.
Yeah, go for it. Tell me how is it, man.
Very good.
Good?
Yeah.
Have you ever had lassi before?
Maybe, I don't know, maybe in Mombasa.
Mombasa?
Yeah,
No,
I'm not sure.
This is Indian, or maybe at an Indian restaurant in Mombasa.
Indian restaurant. All my
Mombasa,
friends
you
in
must have
Mombasa
had
are
the-
Indians.
Mombasa, you must have had the madafwa, I guess.
Yeah, I will suggest you some Indian restaurants in Mombasa,
Mombasa?
for food, for meat.
For meat.
For meat, only for meat.
You're a big meat lover, I guess, huh? But today we are veg, bro. Alright guys, let's see how this one is. That's the nice, it's the masala, actually it's a mango lassi at Kailash Burger.
Let's go.
Nice. It's like a mango.
Yeah, but
Milkshake with
the
yogurt.
first food was amazing.
That was amazing.
So I don't care about drinks
Okay,
anymore.
so let's go into this one now. That's the safe batata.
Same.
Safe batata.
Same story.
Same style, same
Guys,
story.
look at this mess. I love it already.
So again, the same thing. You gotta pick it up,
Oh, from the bottom.
yeah, from the bottom, and just grab the whole thing in your mouth.
So good.
Good. How is it? Yeah, you can clean your beard here. I know, you know it's messy.
Yeah,
It's good
I think
food, it
too.
gets messy.
If you love spicy, the first one is better.
Yeah.
I don't care food everywhere now.
Yeah,
If you don't love spicy, the second one is better.
the second one's better.
But in my case,
Yeah,
the first one.
because it was spicy.
And also the bomb liquid coming out.
All right, bro. Let's see how this one is. Oops.
How did it go?
Nice. It's very different than the first one.
But do we waste all this food?
No, no, please. You're supposed to eat it.
We're supposed to eat.
I know you missed breakfast. Just go for it, brother.
Yeah, I skipped breakfast, guys. But look at this. It looks delicious. We don't waste food in my family.
Never, 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 never.
Oh my god.
Like it?
What's this thing? What's the yellow thing?
That's the. I think it's the gatia or something. I don't know. Something save. They call it save. Yes, that's the one.
These guys. I know I'm the only one in the restaurant. Not
No.
I don't know.
I booked the whole restaurant for you, man.
Wow.
I said let this Don enjoy some good food in Kenya.
Wow.
I'm loving
Wow.
the lassi though.
I'm shocked I'm eating this in Kenya. I totally love it.
Now this is where things start getting interesting.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if Michelle's actually Mr. Pontes. You know, why is this name so confusing, by the way?
Because maybe you love French girls
Yeah.
called Michelle.
Of course, who doesn't love French? You know? Okay, let's go. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah,
It's very heavy, guys.
yeah.
I agree with you. It's nice, similar taste, but it's just heavy, I guess, because of
The consistency of the bread.
of the bread.
under
And,
it.
yes, and you know they've mashed it up nicely.
I absolutely agree.
One of the most popular street food in the world.
I never seen it in Italy. For
We
sure.
have it in restaurants in Italy.
Yeah, we
Indian
have Indians in Italy, of course.
They have Indians are like we are everywhere, you know.
India in Italy is one of my subscribers. Like
Really?
it's the name, the nickname of one of my subscribers. Yeah.
Okay, so this one now, what you gotta do is very simple. Let's say I'll pick one and I'll make one for you, and then you can do the other one.
Okay, I'm gonna copy you.
You put that one there, yeah, and then after that, you put the sweet one. That's the sweet one. You pour it a bit in.
Gosh.
Okay, that's a bit too much, but it's okay. And this is the magic. This is where the water. This is the special pani puri water. So you're gonna throw all this in. It has to all the way to the top.
Jeez.
And as soon as it's filled all the way, as you can see, it's filled nicely. Then you just pick it up and pop the whole thing
In your mouth.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, absolutely.
So there you go. See.
Kinda romantic.
Bro, you gotta love this. Seriously.
Yeah.
Personally, I think this one has taken over from the first one. This is my favorite out of the lot. Let's see
Okay,
if
okay.
you agree with
If
that.
it's your favorite, I must make it my favorite too somehow.
Okay.
I have no idea what's inside, but we're gonna put it a bit.
A bit of that. Awesome.
Oh, I was trying to learn from your mistakes and not put it too much, but I put it too much.
I'll do that for you. So go ahead. All
Okay,
right, let's see.
let's see.
There you go. Fill it all the way up the top.
It's filling. It's
Yeah,
very nice
there
to
you
see.
go. Now you just
No,
have-
it's broken
Oh,
mine.
just put it in your mouth, the whole thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How's the explosion of flavors?
This might be the best because it's lighter.
It's lighter and this you can
So you can
like
eat
this one.
100.
Can you?
You wanted to challenge me, right?
Oh, I think this is the perfect time. You asked for it, man. I mean, hey guys, you know this guy is saying he can eat 100 of these. Let's see even if he can clear 10 or so. So, food challenge. What do you say? Yeah, I think they all agree with this one, bro. Huh?
In the comments for sure they all agree. They just want to see us get messy with our birds.
Okay, guys, Pani Puri challenge. It is with Mr. Ponte.
Yeah, let's do an introduction.
Okay.
So we're gonna do a 1 minute challenge.
1 minute.
Who's gonna eat more of this beauty? What's your tactic?
Golgappa. My tactic, I wouldn't tell you, brother. You'll just be surprised at what hit you.
I'm ready. Okay.
Okay, so let me clear my palate first. My palate's ready. No cheating.
No, wait.
You have to actually
Fill
sorry?
them.
Yeah.
We
you
never
have
have to fill them with water.
to, you have to fill them with both.
With both.
Both. So you have to put in the special chutney over here.
Yeah. Let me get
and
closer
then
to
you
my
gotta
hand.
put this also.
All this.
So whatever strategy you do. All right. And you know what? We've got somebody over here who's actually counting for us.
And we need to feed them completely.
It's up to you. But the more the better.
The more the
Oh
better.
yeah, completely.
Completely, so no,
Of
we
course,
cheat.
of course. No cheating. All right, guys. First food challenge over here with Mr. Ponte. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, so now we're gonna count it up. Are you ready, brother?
See.
3, 2, 1, start. Okay, time's out.
Gonna fill more of them as quickly as
Hey,
possible.
that was part of my strategy.
No!
3.
Don't copy me.
That was part of my strategy,
How
man.
many seconds over there?
40 seconds. you
40
mean?
seconds.
That's not faster. Okay.
Seconds.
How many?
20 seconds.
Oh,
Guys, last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
okay.
9.
He had one more than me.
Where you come from?
I'm dying.
Oh,
Not so my clothes are dirty now.
good one, brother. I
The
can say
winner.
he wins. We have to make our guest win, you know. And but I didn't know Italians could eat so much food.
This
man.
is because I came without breakfast.
Excellent, guys. We are here at Kailash Parbat. Awesome place, guys. You gotta check it out. Right, guys. So as you know, Mr. Ponte won the challenge. He beat me just by one Golgappa.
Yes.
And you know, the winner gets from Kailash Parbat. There you go. You can see he got some chole bhatura, really good stuff, and rogra peti.
Thank you so much, Asante Sana. Check out my channel to see if I'm gonna spare him some food or if I'm gonna eat it by myself.
Awesome, guys. I'm gonna leave you as you're gonna watch Mr. Ponte eat. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. It's Foodster Kenya powered by Acti Life.
know there are good bacteria in our gut. But various factors like stress, antibiotic use, unhealthy food, and pollution may destroy the good bacteria called probiotics in our stomach, leading to frequent stomach upset, acidity, bloating, and abdominal discom. Introducing Actilife Daily Flora, advanced probiotic formula with 30 billion CFU. Probiotics plus prebiotic. Actilife Daily Flora strengthens the immune system, improves digestion, relieves gastric upset, bloating, and flatulence. Actilife Daily Flora is the only brand with 30 billion CFU probiotic with 7 billion CFU Saccharomyces boulardii. Actilife Daily Flora.
Actilife Body and Spirit.